Whoa. Is there an inside to it?
Yeah.
Okay, show us.
There's a full inside.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, come bring it over here and show us.
This is the airplane. It has people inside. And when you open, oopsie.
Turn it, turn, so I
When
can
you
see it.
open this airplane and a coffee
Oh.
and what's it called again?
I don't know. Is that some kind of
It's
juice or something?
that thing where you make.
Who's that?
Who's what?
That
That's the captain.
what's her name?
I think my Captain Surge.
Captain Surge.
Yeah. And
Cool.
then here, when you open this, you see people, and then they're watching TV.
Oh.
See? And
Wow.
that one's watching a llama, and then the puppy's watching something taking care.
Oh, is there a bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's a bathroom. It's a small one.
Oh.
Very small.
Well, it's the right size
In
for
true
the
Francie
radio
fashion,
people.
these are all the extra pieces.
What? So where did they belong?
I don't know. Maybe these are Moana set?
Well, I recognize some of them as Playmobil.
I need that.
Okay, so Aunt Jen gave this to you. What do you want to say to her?
Thank you, Aunt Jen. And then watch this, Aunt Jen.
Whoa, it's flying.
And then when you see this, wheels.
The wheels actually turn.
Yep.
Oh.
This is a